For sari lovers, it's always a challenge about what they want to do with their makeup. There are some people who like wearing a sari at a daily basis, some occasionally, whatever the situation is. Summertime, it's very difficult to keep makeup on, which stays. So today I'm going to create a look which is fresh, it'll stay all day, and I'm recreating this look on popular demand because I had done it a few days ago and had not captured it. So here's the makeup. I use the Ashwagandha Bounce Moisturizer and the Turmeric Shield Sunscreen before makeup. Both are by 82E. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Primer. I will mostly be using concealer and only powder to touch up wherever required. So make sure you match your concealer well. And because the layer is less, the makeup stays on, or it just, it's sometimes nice to just show your real natural skin. And a good primer, please pick one of your own choice. As long as you use it, your makeup will look good. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer on the spots where it's required. The best way to go and buy a concealer is to go to the store and ask the person in charge to help you, because sometimes you'll ask me online without seeing you in front, or it's not my job to recommend a shade. So it's best to go and ask, try it on, and then take it. And make sure you take a color which you don't have to use much. My makeup is mostly for people without too much flaws on their skin, because these are general videos. If you have more marks or scars, that is a different situation, and you can find out how to cover those. I'm using this brush by Huda because of the angle it creates, but just take a nice soft angle brush and blend in your concealer till it looks flawless, so that you don't have to use much foundation at all. I'm applying some of my Studio Fix on top of my eyes, and if required I'll put it on my face, or I'll just keep it with me handy to apply as a foundation. But the way it's so hot now, I might not apply it either. Now take a neutral shade that looks like this. This is a nice light transition shade which will contour the top of your eyes. Take it up till the crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, just take it higher. Now take any dark brown eyeshadow and any pencil brush, it does not matter which brand, and just lightly line the outer lower lash line. Now take a black coal and just put it on your waterline, and I want it really sharp, so I'm not going to smudge it. The smudged look will come from the eyeshadow that I just applied on my lower lash line. I like this pencil by Benefits. It's got a comb on one side and a pencil on the other side, a self-sharpening one. Just fill out the parts that require it. Sometimes I don't even use it. And this one, the shade is in deep brown. And then I'm going to just take a gel and set my eyebrows so that they don't move. Nothing dramatic. Complete your eye makeup with a mascara. Considering I'm not lining my upper line, the upper lid, upper line I'm saying. Sometimes I just talk rubbish. Anyway, I'm not lining my upper lid. A good mascara itself gives you a line. It gives you a definition. That way the makeup is light, looks fresh. You don't need a steady hand, and it just kind of works out. So use it nicely, and then make sure you wiggle the wand so that they don't stick, your lashes don't stick, and put more on the tip. As usual, I'm going to line my lips and fill it out with a nude lip liner. I've put a lip balm before this, which is a must. This helps to kind of, for Indian skin tones, it gives you a bigger range for shades to use, as well as the lipstick stays on longer, and there's a even surface to work on. The pigmentation doesn't come in the way of the lipstick, because most of us have pigmentation as well as on the lips, not just on the face. Now I'm going to take a darker lip liner. This Plum by MAC goes with everything. It's a brown. Just choose a brown which is not too dark, not too light, kind of blends in well. And that's what I'm going to define my lips with. I kind of end up using this shade with most of my lipsticks. I'm using Panda Me by MAC, which is a very nice nude shade and goes with most Indian skin tones. Complete your makeup with a nice blush. I'm not even going to contour. It's summer. I'll be crazy and looking crazy and patchy. So I'm going to go with a nice cream blush. I use cream blush most of the time because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, you can go with a blush of your choice, which is in powder format. Just basically end your makeup with a nice blush. So my makeup is pretty done. I'm going to wear a sari, so I'm definitely going to add a bindi and a earring. And that's my look, my simple summer look with a traditional outfit. Hope your makeup life is becoming easy. Do support me. Check out my recipe videos, my travel videos, my dance videos, because my channel is pretty much lifestyle. And thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Do follow if you're watching on Facebook. Till next time.